Hello and welcome to the class of AWS. So AWS is Amazon Web Services. Now, in this class we are going to discuss about what AWS is. That means what are these services. So basically these are the cloud service provider. Like we have cloud. Cloud is basically an entity where we can store our data. Now, for example, we have iCloud, we have Dropbox, where we can store our data, we can store our files, we can store our data. We have a user. Now, user required a dedicated internet connection. Now, with the help of this internet connection, we can connect to cloud. So we can say that we have a user with the help of internet connection. We can connect to a data center. Now here in this data center, we have our files stored. Now we can retrieve this file whenever we require this. So this data center could be of iCloud, could be of Dropbox, or we can say this could be of AWS, which are Amazon Web Services. So from this we can say that AWS is basically cloud service provider. So this is cloud service provider, or we can say AWS it acts as IaaS, which stands for infrastructure as a service. This is a cloud service provider. We can say that this is infrastructure as a service. Now in AWS, which are Amazon Web Services, here in this we have storage, we have computing power, we have storage, we have computing power, we have analytics, storage, computing power, we have analytics, we have databases, as well as we have networking. Storage, computing power, analytic, databases, and networking. That means we have various developer tools as well as virtualization and security. And security in this Amazon Web Services. Now the question is why to use and who uses it? Amazon Web Services, why to use, why we use these services, how to use, and who uses these services, what are its benefits, and how this cloud is different from the previous or the past one. Now, it offers various cloud terminologies that if we talk about who uses it, so this is both for personal as well as for companies. So we have this AWS for personal use as well as for companies use. Now this AWS works on cloud terminology. So if we talk about cloud terminology, so it is highly available. That means we can say that we have high availability. It is highly available, high availability. It is fault tolerant. It is having a feature of scalability to scalability, elasticity, as well as security. So in cloud terminology, that means AWS is offering this cloud terminology. It is highly available, it is scalable, fault tolerant, security, elasticity, etc. So this is the concept of Amazon Web Services. This is all for today. We will continue with this in our next class. Thank you so much.